चलिए हम लोग पार्ट 6 देखते हैं। बिहार एसएससी इंटर लेवल प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर 29 जनवरी 2017 का। जनरल स्टडीज 50 क्वेश्चन, 25 क्वेश्चन हो चुका है। अब पार्ट 6 करेंगे 30 क्वेश्चन तक। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, हु एक्सपेल्ड दाऊद फ्रॉम पटना एंड हाजीपुर? अकबर. Akbar expelled Daud from Patna and Hajipur. In 1574, Akbar went to Patna to crush the Afghan chief Daud Khan. Daud Khan Karrani was the last ruler of Bengal's Karrani dynasty. Daud Khan was not agreed to be under the dominion of Akbar, so he decided to fight against the army of Delhi and remain the conqueror of Bengal. A decisive battle was fought at Raj Mahal in 1576. Daud was ultimately defeated and executed. After his death, Bengal went under the direct Mughal rule as Suba, with Subadars being installed. Akbar born at Amarkot in 1542 CE. He was the son of Humayun and Hamida Banu Begum. In 1556 CE, he was crowned at Kalanor at the young age of 13 years and ruled till 1605. Bairam Khan acted as his regent during the first few years of Akbar's reign. Akbar was the third Mughal emperor. Akbar was succeeded as emperor by his son Prince Salim, later known as Jahangir. Next, question number 27. How many gems were there in Akbar's court? 9. The Navratnas of Akbar were as follows: Raja Birbal, Tansen, Abul Fazl, Faizi, Raja Mansingh, Raja Todarmal, Mullah Do Piaja, Fakir Ajiauddin, Abdul Rahim Khane Khana. Tansen was an Indian musician and poet who was an important figure in the North Indian tradition of Hindustani classical music. His renditions of rags, a musical form intended to invoke emotions or nature, were said to tame animals and turn day into night, while his voice could replicate the roar of a lion or the chirp of a bird. His real name was Ramtanu Pandey. तानसेन का रियल नेम क्या था? रामतानु पांडे. He was greatly esteemed for his Dhrupad and Rag compositions and for his vocal performances. Tansen was the title given to him by Raja Vikramajit of Gwalior. Akbar gave the title of Kantha Bharan Vani Vilas to Tansen. Kantha Bharan Vani Vilas to Tansen. किसने दिया? अकबर ने दिया टाइटल. Akbar 1556 to 1605. Akbar was the third Mughal emperor 1556 to 1605 and son of Humayun. Akbar succeeds in the throne at just 13 years old due to the death of Humayun. The kingdom Akbar inherited was little more than a collection of frail fiefs. Under the regency of Bairam Khan, Akbar introduced the Mansabdari system. The Navratnas of Akbar were as follows: Raja Birbal, Tansen, Abul Fazl Faizi, Raja Man Singh, Raja Todarmal, Mullah Do Piaja, Fakir Ajiauddin, Abdul Rahim Khane Khana. Abul Fazl started the writing of Akbarnama in 1589. It is the most detailed history of the reign of Akbar. Clear? Next. Question number 28. Before Goa, which was the capital of Portuguese in India? Cochin. Before Goa, Cochin was the capital of the Portuguese in India. Cochin was the first Portuguese capital in India. After 20 years, the capital Cochin was transferred to Goa in 1530 Common Era. It was Nino Sacunha who became the governor of Portuguese interest in India in 1529, who shifted the headquarters of Portuguese government in India from Cochin to Goa. किसने किया? Nino Sacunha. In 1498, Vasco da Gama arrived at Calicut, where he was received by the Jamorins. In 1503, the first Portuguese fort was established at Cochin. In 1510, Goa was captured from Bijapur Sultanate by Alfonso Albuquerque. Clear? Next. Where was Guru Nanak born? Talwandi. The first Guru, founder of Sikhism, Guru Nanak, was born in Talwandi, Nankana Sahib in Punjab district of Pakistan. Guru Nanak was born on 29 November 1469 in the place which was formerly also known as Rai Bhoi Ki Talwandi. Guru Nanak was born there to a family of merchants, and his father Kalyan Chand Das Bedi was the accountant for crop revenue in his village. Guru Nanak Dev initiated interfaith dialogue way back in the 16th century and had conversations with most of the religious denominations of his times. Building an egalitarian society was his idea, for which he started Langar, Pangat and Sangat. Langar, collective cooking and sharing of food. Pangat, partaking food without distinctions of high and low caste. Sangat, collective decision making. Gender equality was also preached by him. Next. Where did the British send Bahadur Shah II out of the country? Rangoon. British sent Bahadur Shah II out of the country to Rangoon in British-controlled Burma in 1858. Bahadur Shah II was sent to Rangoon following his involvement in the Indian Mutiny of 1857. Bahadur Shah II, also known as Bahadur Shah Jafar. Bahadur Shah Jafar ascended the throne of Delhi on 28 September 1837 at the age of 62 years. Bahadur Shah II was the heir apparent to his father, Emperor Akbar Shah II. He is remembered as the last Mughal emperor in India and for his role in the Indian revolt of 1857. He died in 1862 and the Mughal dynasty, which had ruled India for about 400 years, finally ended with his death. Clear है? 30 question completed. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.